No. Look. What are you doing? You want it? You are a busy puppy.
Oh, are we recording?
We are.
Oh, I forgot to talk. So what else is new?
Well, Katie said there always has to be one.
And I'm the one that was hard to take pictures of.
You were the one.
Yep, I was a moving and a grooving and doing stuff. See, look, I'm still moving.
But video's coming out better.
Yeah, well, if I had learned to talk sooner.
Well,
yeah, I got a silent video for the first little couple seconds. So I've got things to do with life.
You do. You probably should have another dog in your next life.
Oh man, that would be fun.
I can see that.
We could get in trouble together.
You could, and you just love seeing Sunshine.
Oh, she's my favorite. Maybe Sunshine and I could go home together.
That'd be cool.
Oh, that would be a mix, wouldn't it?
Oh, it would, yeah. Oh, you're just whacking me, aren't you?
Here's my paw. Yep.
Whacking.
Look, this is what I do. I do stuff.
You're whacking puppy.
So let's go play.
I can see we need to. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.